10 shocking male stars as plastic surgery transformations. Then and now, 2025, from subtle touch-ups to headline-making transformations, male celebrities are rewriting the rules of aging. Some admit it, some deny it, and others leave the public guessing. Today, we count down 10 male stars whose then and now look shocked fans. What was reported, what the experts said, and what's still only gossip. We'll be careful. Speculation is not fact, so where there's uncertainty, you'll hear how doctors and reputable outlets interpreted the changes. Number 1, Mickey Rourke, reconstruction, reinvention, and rumors. Mickey Rourke's face tells a long story. Pro boxing injuries, reconstructive surgery, and later cosmetic work that's been widely documented and discussed. Rourke has publicly acknowledged operations to repair damage from fights, and tabloids and interviews over the years have traced how his features changed from the 1980s heartthrob to the heavily altered look many recognized in the 2000s, and then to more recent refinements. Coverage in reputable outlets notes a mix of reconstructive and aesthetic procedures rather than simple cosmetic touch-ups, making his case one of the most clearly explained transformations on this list. This isn't Botox versus veneers, it's recovery after injury meeting the celebrity spotlight. Number 2, Simon Cowell, the changing critic with a tighter jawline. Simon Cowell's face has been the subject of endless commentary. Smoother skin, a smaller nose, and a more defined lower face. In 2024 to 2025, cosmetic specialists told outlets his look most likely reflects a combination of non-surgical treatments, fillers, Botox, and possibly surgical rhinoplasty, or contouring to correct aging and sun damage. Analysts emphasized corrective work, not radical youth surgeries, aimed at tightening and harmonizing features for television. When you're on camera every week, small changes add up to a very different on-screen persona. Number 3, Tom Cruise, puff, polish, or post-production. Tom Cruise repeatedly makes headlines when photos or ad spots show him with a fuller, sometimes puffy appearance. Experts who reviewed notable 2025 clips suggested injectable fillers, and Botox could explain sudden cheek fullness, while others blamed lighting, editing, or even ad post-production. Cruise has historically denied major surgery. Plastic surgeons, when asked, have often suggested non-invasive procedures are the likeliest explanation for transient changes. Is it surgery, injectables, or simply Hollywood magic? Often the public never knows for sure. Number 4, Cristiano Ronaldo. The smile makeover everyone notices. Cristiano Ronaldo is an example of transformation that's mostly dental and grooming. Braces, veneers, whitening, and meticulous dental work that radically changed his smile over time. Dental and aesthetic clinics commonly cite Ronaldo as a poster boy for smile makeovers that involve crowns, veneers, and gum work rather than dramatic facial surgery. Fans notice the difference immediately because teeth and smile dominate first impressions. Sometimes the biggest transformation is the one you smile with. Number 5, Matthew McConaughey, rumors, hairlines, and public reaction. Matthew McConaughey's appearance has prompted frequent online chat. Fuller hair, a changed jawline in some photos, and dramatic weight or grooming shifts. Some outlets have pointed to hair restoration procedures and the effects of weight change or styling. Others say lighting and camera angles can do most of the talking. McConaughey's case illustrates how aging, fitness, and hair work, transplants, micrografts, or thickening treatments can be conflated with more invasive cosmetic surgery. Hair, weight, and contouring. 3 non-surgical moves that can fool a camera and a comment section. Number 6, Zayn Malik. From boy band face to mature look. Zayn's face has been a trending subject since his One Direction days. A fuller beard, new hairstyling, and subtle changes in facial proportions sparked speculation about fillers or minor sculpting. Most coverage balances fan theory with caution. Changes could be grooming, weight fluctuation, and natural maturation, or for some, small cosmetic tweaks. He's one of many modern stars where social media amplifies every small shift. A little stubble and a new jawline can turn a teenage poster boy into a different adult image overnight. Number 7. K-pop idols. Collective. A culture of admitted procedures. South Korea's entertainment industry is unique. Several male K-pop idols have openly admitted to surgeries or aesthetic procedures to meet intense visual standards. While an individual idol's case varies, credible roundups in 2025 show jawline contouring, rhinoplasty, and eyelid surgery remain common, sometimes openly discussed by the artists themselves. That openness makes K-pop transformations less gossip and more cultural phenomenon. When stars openly discuss work on their faces, the conversation shifts from shame to industry reality. Number 8. Ryan Gosling or Ryan Reynolds. Example of subtle cosmetic maintenance. Actors like Ryan Gosling and Ryan Reynolds don't headline surgery rumors as loudly as others, but incremental aesthetic maintenance, dental work, filler touch-ups, skin treatments get noticed over time. Coverage tends to emphasize minimal intervention approaches, dermatology, laser, and conservative injectables to preserve camera readiness rather than a dramatic before and after. These cases show how today's celebrity look often equals careful maintenance, not major reconstructive change. The most effective transformations are often the smallest, spaced out over years. Number 9. Rob Kardashian and reality stars. Rapid transformations and reversals. Some reality TV personalities undergo dramatic, faster-paced transformations that are highly visible because of social media documentation. Rob Kardashian and similar reality figures have publicly tracked weight shifts, facial changes, and cosmetic procedures, sometimes reversed or reworked later. That transparency gives the public a rare direct view into the process, but it also fuels blow-by-blow commentary and regrets. When your life is already filmed, cosmetic choices become public episodes with high stakes. Number 10. Athletes and models, group entry, aesthetic upgrades for brand longevity. High-profile athletes and male models increasingly turn to cosmetic dentistry, hair restoration, and minor facial contouring to extend careers and marketability. These procedures are often less dramatic than tabloids claim: veneers, micro-Botox, minimal cheek or jaw fillers, and targeted skin work that help maintain a polished, camera-ready image. Those investments pay off in endorsements and longevity, which is why they keep appearing in sports and fashion coverage. For some public figures, cosmetic upkeep is part of the job, like a suit or a trainer. What experts keep reminding us, and what to read between the headlines. Plastic surgeons and cosmetic dermatologists repeatedly caution, photos, lighting, weight loss, haircuts, and makeup can create radical perceived changes without surgery. Where changes are reported, expert commentary often points to a mix of non-surgical injectables, dental work, and occasional surgery. Reputable outlets and clinic commentaries emphasize consent, safety, and the nuance between rumor and confirmed procedures. When a celebrity admits work, the conversation is clearer. Otherwise, responsible coverage hedges claims and cites specialists. Before you judge a photo, remember, a good filter or a bad camera can change a face more than a scalpel. Then, now, and the ethics of commenting on faces. Celebrities' faces change for many reasons: age, injury, weight, grooming, dentistry, or cosmetic work, sometimes all at once. The then and now trend feeds fascination, but it often flattens complex personal choices into clickbait. When coverage relies on expert commentary and reputable reporting, it's useful. When it's rumor and Photoshop, it can be harmful. If you're curious, follow sources that quote surgeons, dental records, or the stars themselves, and treat pure speculation like gossip, not truth. Final. Some transformations are medical, some are cosmetic, and many are simply life. But every face has a backstory. The smartest viewers ask, what's confirmed, what's opinion, and who benefits from the rumor? Thank you for tuning in. If you enjoyed the content, please hit the like button and subscribe to stay updated with our latest videos on YouTube.